Defend your enterprise network by mastering Snort 3, the industry standard for intrusion detection. Explore the evolution of intrusion detection and analyze the high-performance architecture powering modern network traffic inspection. Learn to deploy Snort 3 on Linux environments and tune your rule sets for maximum detection accuracy. Master the art of packet decoding to identify malicious payloads and optimize data pipelines for high-throughput networks. Neutralize threats before they reach your assets, and leverage actionable alerts to drive rapid incident response. Our comprehensive curriculum includes 17 chapters, 80 objectives, 19 hands-on labs, and over 200 quizzes. Advance your career as a network security architect with skills that command salaries exceeding $145,000. Build resilient security postures that adapt to evolving threats and verify your expertise through rigorous assessment. Follow our proven roadmap, moving from core architecture foundations through advanced configuration to complete enterprise mastery. Secure your digital perimeter today and unlock elite security engineering expertise with our professional course. For further assistance or more details, please reach out to our team at support@uCertify.com.